Hello and welcome to Genius Kids channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you the Jolly Phonics. Each sound has its own corresponding action, song and story. I'm also going to explain to you the diagraphs. Diagraphs means 2 letters and 1 sound. For example, SH makes the sound sh, and CH makes the sound ch. Right. Are you ready? So let's get started. The first sound s, s, snake.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s, the snake is in the grass.
Ant.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
Tennis.
When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Ink.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Puff.
Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Net.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
Castanet. Kite.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Egg.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.
Hop.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Rug.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Meal.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for
D, D, drum.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
G, G, gurgle.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g g g g g.
O, O, on.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
A, umbrella.
Umbrellas. 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 When it starts to rain.
Lollipop.
We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops.
Fish.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out.
Bat.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
A, pain.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
J, jam.
Jello and jam, jiggling on a plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J.
O, A, O, goat.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
I, tie.
The captain said aye. The captain said aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye.
Here you get double E and O-R. E-O, 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 E-O. B and frog.
See the donkey in its stall. Eeyore, Eeyore is its call.
Z, Z, buzz.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Wind.
I see the clouds moving, wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying, wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending, wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong.
Ng. Strong.
If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say
Ooh. Ooh. Van.
Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village.
Ooh. Here you have two sounds. One short vowel and one long vowel. Short vowel. Ooh, ooh. As in book. Long vowel. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. As in moon. The action. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh.
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yogurt.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah.
X. X. Box. Fox.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
CH. Ch. Ch.
Trains are chugging up the hill. Trains are chugging up the hill. Choo choo.
SH. Shh. Shh. Hush.
Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired now. Shh, 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 shh.
TH. Here you have two sounds. One is voiced and unvoiced. Thin, unvoiced. Wise, this.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the?
Oh, you. Oh. 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 Ouch.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
O I. Oi. Oi. Oil.
The sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep. Oi, oi, ship ahoy.
U E. You.
I'd like to have a barbecue. You. You, I like to have a barbecue with you and you and you.
E-R mixture.
The mixer in the bowl goes The mixer in the bowl goes mixing the food together.
A-R
Did you ever hear a seal bark? A seal bark, a seal bark. Did you ever hear a seal bark? R like this.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and say what you want to see in this channel. I'll be much delighted to help you. Please, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.